Everyone, this is Emily with Canix's product team, and today we're going to go through a process of creating inventory for our beginning upload into Canix. This template should be available to you to be able to copy and enter any of the information that you have for your facilities. Use these non-cannabis products to actually add our lots and quantities, but you may want to add this at a later point when you're getting closer to actually using the inventory so you can do a full audit of the quantity that you have on hand. And that way you don't make a bunch of changes physically to the quantity that you have on hand without making those changes in the Canix system as well. To get started, you'll select from the list of product names that you have that you've entered in the products tab. You'll also enter the lot that you've received, whether you want to specify that as the date that it was received or the actual manufacturer's lot number. This lot number is going to be used if you are selecting a specific lot to use. Otherwise, Canix will deduct your inventory automatically using FIFO based on the date that it was received. So this lot can be general or it can be very specific if you're pulling from specific lots. You can enter the product barcode if you would like. This optional field will allow you to scan the non-cannabis products in some flows, but is not widely used across Canix at this time. This barcode does need to be 12 digits or less, so it cannot be a longer number than 12. When entering your vendors in column F, this field is required, but your vendors do need to exist in Canix before you upload your non-cannabis lots. That means that you'll follow the instructions in Canix to create vendors from your facility data, and then reference that vendor name here in column F. You'll select from your list of locations from the Locations tab here in column G. And this is optional if you want to specify that this lot is in a different location from other lots or is in a different location from your non-cannabis product, but is not required to add to each lot. You can also add the cost of this lot. So this is the cost that you purchase for one unit, meaning if you have 1,500 milliliters on hand, you're adding the unit cost for 1 milliliter, not for all 1,500 milliliters. So you'll need to calculate what the purchase price was for the unit and divide it by the base units that you're deducting it from. The quantity that you have on hand is the quantity of that particular product. And again, it's not the number of bottles or containers that you purchase, but the actual units that you're going to be deducting from it. So if one unit or jar contains 1,500 milliliters or 1,500 grams, you're going to enter that raw unit, 1,500 milliliters or grams in the quantity here. Lastly, you'll enter the received date that you received this product for. As Canix deducts this inventory using FIFO, first in, first out, we'll be using the oldest received date to pull inventory first and the newest received date last. If you don't remember exactly when your inventory was received, you can go ahead and enter today's date, and you'll be entering the dates moving forward more accurately as you bring in your inventory. Now that we've completed all of our initial beginning data for our template here, we're going to move on to our next video, which is uploading this inventory into our facility. If you have any questions as you go through this, please talk to your implementation manager or our support team to help you walk through these a little bit more in depth and understand your concepts more fully.